In this video, you have myself and Whitney. We're doing 4 sets, 30 reps of reverse crunches on the stability ball. Like I said, that 4 sets of 30 reps, that's after we've upped the stakes a little bit, upped the ante a little bit. So there are a lot of videos leading up to this that I haven't posted yet. I'm gonna get to them. I had to, just being totally transparent, my computer only has so much space on it, so when it starts to run out of space on the videos I've got, I have to put some of them on one of those jump drives. So a lot of the videos are on jump drives that lead up to this. But rest assured, I'm gonna get those uploaded as well. Got me a new camera so I can focus more primarily on just getting these videos off my computer and getting them to you guys. That being said, just check out the workout. Today's a good day as any to join us. At least get in the gym, get in there. So how about you get here then? Nah, bruh. Every day for fitness, if you ask me. Let me tell it. Push yourself is important, but it's also nice when you have somebody working out with you to push you. Whitney is that. Dreaming is all well and good, but I'm gonna say it like every time I said it. Time for dreaming is over. It's time for action. Whitney live in beast mode. Trying to told you. Strong as she wanna be, don't play with her. Real live unstoppable object once I get to moving. My whole life is a workout. It's enough to go around. Come share it with me. Like I mentioned a couple times and probably mention again, we up the reps and up the sets. That's an example of us elevating our workout.
No, shit, that ain't helping.
coming to the gym, I need you to bring your all. That's the way you're going to get the maximum amount of results. Maximum effort yields maximum results.
I told you I was going to switch to doing
Do it for you, your daughter, your son, your mom, your team. So we push the limits by upping the sets and upping the reps. Man, I'm so excited to give you some of this newer footage that me and Whitney have gotten, because you're really gonna see us pushing the limits on those. This date, we up the sets and up the reps. She paused, but she never quit. No quit in her. Like everything in life, workouts got to end too. Unfortunately, this one is over. But I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again right here soon.